10 Sweet Ways to Make a Guy's Heart Melt. When a woman is in love, she will do whatever it takes to make her boyfriend feel secure and loved. So there may be a chance that you are thinking of your boyfriend right now and wondering, how can I make him feel special? If there are many languages to express the word love, there are also many ways to express your feelings of love. Whether your anniversary is coming up or you just want to make your loved one smile, read on below to know 10 sweet ways on how to make a guy's heart melt like mozzarella cheese on a newly baked pizza. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get new video updates. Thanks for supporting our channel. 1. Cook him his favorite meal. Food is just one of the many ways of expressing your love, and by cooking him his favorite meal, you are practically shouting, "I love you." Boyfriends appreciate it very much when their girlfriends cook for them. Of course, it is not expected of them, but many women do it anyway to show how much they care. It does not matter if you are not a top chef. Even if it is as simple as a sandwich, your boyfriend is bound to melt when he sees you walking his way with a plate of yummy goodness. 2. Be his #1 cheerleader. There is nothing more heart-wrenching for a guy than seeing his only girl on the sidelines cheering for him and shouting her support from the top of her lungs. If you want to make your partner feel extremely loved, then be his #1 cheerleader. It is important always to have someone who has your back no matter what. As the saying goes, behind every successful man, there's a woman. So be there for your boyfriend throughout the highs and lows in his life. 3. Call him by his endearment. Often, people have endearment for the ones they love. It can be as simple as sweetie and honey, but it can also be a personalized nickname that both of you came up with. You can make your boyfriend's heart melt by simply calling him by his endearment. He may not admit it, but he really likes it. You see, by calling him by his unique name, you are singling him out as a special person for you. He is the only one who gets to be called by that name, and such exclusivity will definitely make anyone feel loved. 4. Spend time with him and his family. Your boyfriend will appreciate it when you extend your love not just to him, but also to his family members. When you get a partner, you get to a part of his life and of his family. It is important to show respect and admiration towards the people who raised your man and helped him become the person he is now. Although sometimes there can be family members who are challenging to be with. This should never make you worry, because even the mere effort of spending time with will make your boyfriend go "Awawa," even if he won't say it out loud. 5. Write him little notes. If you want to go a little extra, write him short and sweet messages and hide them in between his stuff so that he will come across it by surprise. You can put it in his lunch, inside his coat pocket, or even on his mirror. And the first thing that he will read in the morning is a very loving note from his girlfriend. A little goes a long way, and even by doing the little things, you can indeed move a guy's heart. 6. Shower him with compliments. Men love compliments too, especially the random ones that you speak every now and then. A loving girlfriend knows that one of the many ways to help her boyfriend grow is to shower him with compliments. Simple compliments like "you are an excellent cook" or "I like the way you look tonight" matter very much to all boyfriends. Sweet and loving compliments are like Cupid's arrows, and when you shoot it, they will always make your boyfriend smile and go red in the face. 7. Give him lots of long hugs. After a tiring day, it is important always to give your boyfriend long hugs. Even if they put on a tough exterior, every man has a soft soul inside and needs someone loving and trusting to envelop them in a big and long hug. These hugs are limited to tiring days and happy days, or any days. The important essence of these hugs is that you can communicate your love without saying anything at all. A loving hug from his girlfriend will make any boy's heart melt. 8. Make him a personalized gift. It doesn't have to be fancy, because gifts are not all about the price tag. The mere fact that you put together something with your own hands gives it an extra amount of sentimental value. It can be a knitted scarf, a birthday card, or a painting you made. Your boyfriend will definitely melt like ice cream on a hot day when he receives a personalized gift from you. Always remember that it doesn't matter what it is because it is always the thought that counts. 9. Always have his back. Always having his back does not just mean being his number one cheerleader, but also being there for him in every aspect of his life. During his emergencies, waiting in line with him for an audition he wants to go to, being with him on those hard days when his grandmother died. The very act of being there for him is one way to make him feel loved and appreciated. Love is going through the tough times and when sees that you are with him every step of the way. Not only will it make his heart melt, he might even shed a tear or two. Never forget that partnership is important in a relationship. 10. Tell him you love him every day. This is possibly one of the best and absolute ways to make your boyfriend's heart melt. There is nothing more cheesy and adorable than telling the guy you love in the whole world that you love him. The words don't necessarily even have to be "I love you" because those 3 words can be transformed into other phrases of love such as "have you eaten" or "take care." Even when you fight, never forget to tell your partner how much you mean to them. There are many ways to make your boyfriend's heart melt aside from those mentioned above because we all express our love differently. Be creative and never hesitate. Those are 2 rules when you want to think of ways to make your guy feel loved. You don't need to give him extravagant gifts or take him to expensive places. Even the simplest things and the simplest acts can make a man feel complete. Remember that love can sometimes not be seen and only felt by the heart. If I were to live 1,000 years, I would belong to you for all of them. If we were to live 1,000 lives, I would want to make you mine in each one. Michelle Hodkin. Please leave your comment below if you have anything to share with us. Thanks for watching our video.